We're going to take you under the sea for a unique look at some of South Florida's most beautiful ocean reefs. There's a little-known research mission in the Keys. Scientists living underwater for days at a time, learning to protect this fragile treasure. Todd Tongan takes you to Aquarius.
It is the only operational ocean research habitat on the planet. The talented scientists that live inside Aquarius are doing groundbreaking and relevant aquatic research outside Aquarius.
Getting a chance to participate as an aquanaut in Aquarius is in many ways a life-changing experience. Being able to spend huge amounts of time underwater, not having to worry about the surface or anything terrestrial, you bond to the ocean in a unique way.
Living underwater, the scientists don't have to worry about their dive tables. They can observe at their leisure, allowing for valuable bottom time to study Key Largo's Conch Reef.
In effect, the Conch Reef site of Aquarius has become a superstation for scientists. We know more about this reef than we probably know about any reef anywhere else in the world.
Even NASA understands the importance of exploring our world's inner space.
We're working with NASA on several different projects. They're interested in Aquarius because, coincidentally, it's about the same size as the living module of the International Space Station.
So needless to say, it was a thrill for me to become an aquanaut. There's only one way in and out of Aquarius, through a module called the Wet Porch.
Welcome to Aquarius.
It also has all the conveniences of home: sleeping quarters for 6, a toilet, and a small kitchen.
Chicken, Polynesian.
Even though the aquanauts are isolated from land, they're not out of touch.
Here is a computer station where we have internet access that provided us by an umbilical that runs up to a buoy on the surface.
That life support buoy also provides air and power to the habitat. The aquanauts and their environment are monitored from a base station in Key Largo 24 hours a day.
I guess that's from the pressure, right?
Oh, yeah.
Food isn't the only thing affected by the depth. The scientists experience nitrogen narcosis,
Which means that people are all a little giddy. Another word for nitrogen narcosis is the martini effect.
The marine life down here is absolutely beautiful, but this place can also be dangerous. When you live at 45 feet below sea level for 11 days, your body becomes saturated with nitrogen. So before you ascend, you need to decompress.
The capsule is slowly exhausted over 18 hours. Aquarius literally becomes a decompression chamber, bringing it to a surface atmosphere without ever moving it. This underwater wonder can and will shape the way we manage and view the deep blue. We're no longer visitors. We live there, and Aquarius will teach us to be good neighbors. Todd Tongan, Channel 10 News.
Now, Aquarius is a restricted government facility owned by NOAA. It's operated by the University of North Carolina, so don't try to dive aboard. You can learn much more about Aquarius on our web channel. Just go to click10.com.
And not for the claustrophobic like I am.
Not at all,
No.
no.
Looked interesting, though. And Don No has some interesting warmer temperatures for us this evening, right, Don?
Indeed we do. The nitrogen narcosis seemed interesting, too, there for a while.